Hello and welcome to another video on Sparking Life. Being into the corporate world and not knowing how to deal with people in your day-to-day life is absolutely going to leave you behind with one of the worst experiences. And so will let you have seriously a very hard time around. Despite the changing surroundings and the modest of technologies around us, the mode of communication and the sole principles that are based on communications are relating to one's interests remain the same. Here are a few common principles that we will be discussing shortly, which, if applied by you in your daily life and business, could greatly help you out a lot. Most of these points and values which we will be discussing are based on the book How to Win Friends and Influence People, one of the best sellers of all time and has a lot to offer. Following these tips and principles, it would not only help you in your business meets and activities but also in your daily day-to-day life. Following these tips would also let you increase your ability to get things done in the business world, the way to be a leader, and much more. But before we get any further, be sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet and click the notification bell so that you don't miss another update from us. Number 1. Never criticize, complain, or condemn anyone for anything. Number 2. Learn to appreciate things and show sincere admiration towards others. Number 3. If you want someone to do something, try to provide them with a reason or make them want it to do. Basically, talk them in their own favor. Number 4. Always have a cheerful smile on your face and try to seem that you are pleased by seeing the person. Number 5. Always greet people with wishes and their names. Greet everyone sincerely no matter how you feel, and especially to your seniors. Number 6. Give importance to people's name and also make sure you don't misspell them. Number 7. Begin your conversations with honest and sincere appreciation and encourage the other person to talk. Number 8. If you want to be liked instantly, try to make the other person feel important, and of course, do this by sincere and honest appreciation and not by flattery. Number 9. Try to avoid arguments under all circumstances. Number 10. Never bluntly remark to anyone or anywhere that someone is wrong. Just simply avoid such statements and be sure not to use any such phrases. Number 11. Somewhere along the line, if you realize that you're wrong, admit it quickly, empathetically, and sincerely. Doing this would immediately put you in a condition of safeguard from any more resentments. Number 12. Try to be polite while you talk. No matter how much rip off the situation may be, always make the other person agree about something by asking some questions and trying your best to have them giving yes responses. Number 14. Try to be a patient listener and encourage the other person to do a great deal of talking. Doing this is definitely going to pacify the situation. Number 15. Whenever you want someone to do something for you, make them feel important and happy about doing the thing. Number 16. Whenever you try to sell someone something, you must make the product more appealing to them and hence arouse the desire in them for having to buy the same thing from you. Number 17. If you feel someone or somebody is in trouble, always try to sympathize but do not flatter unnecessarily. Number 18. The best way to increase productivity is to throw down a challenge. A challenge is an obvious competition. Number 19. If you have to criticize somebody or highlight a fault, begin with a honest appreciation and of course do that sincerely. And the best way to criticize somebody for any mistake is to do it indirectly. Number 20. Whenever you see the slightest improvement in a person regarding their profession or work, be sure to praise them for it, for every single and slightest visible improvement. Also, it gives a fine reputation for them to live up to. Found this video helpful? Let us know in the comment section below about the things you had to learn from this video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel to keep having a bigger picture about the world around you.